Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for the warmer months: patio furniture. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, having the right patio furniture can transform your outdoor space. So, let's get started with 7 things you should know about patio furniture. Number 1. Understanding your space. Before you buy any furniture, take a good look at your outdoor area. Measure the dimensions and consider the shape of your space. Is it a small balcony or a large patio? Knowing the size helps you avoid buying pieces that are too big or too small. Also, think about how you plan to use the space. Do you want a dining area, a lounging spot, or maybe both? Using a tape measure and sketching out a rough floor plan can really help visualize the furniture layout. Remember, you want enough space to move around comfortably without feeling cramped. Number 2. Choosing the right material. Patio furniture comes in various materials, each with its pros and cons. Here are some popular options. First, we have wood. It's classic and blends well with nature. Woods like teak and cedar are durable and weather-resistant, but they do require regular maintenance, like oiling and sealing. Then there's metal. Aluminum is lightweight and doesn't rust, making it ideal for wet climates. Wrought iron, on the other hand, is sturdy and elegant but can be heavy and prone to rust if not properly treated. For a modern look, synthetic wicker is fantastic. It's weather-resistant, easy to clean, and lightweight. Make sure to choose high-quality, UV-resistant wicker to prevent fading. And don't forget plastic. It's affordable, lightweight, and easy to maintain, though it may not be as durable or stylish as other options. Number 3. Comfort is key. You want your outdoor furniture to be as comfy as your indoor furniture. Look for chairs and sofas with plush cushions, and don't be afraid to test them out in-store. High-quality cushions typically have a dense foam core that provides support and maintains its shape over time. Also, consider the fabric. Sunbrella is a popular choice because it's UV-resistant, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Number 4. Weather resistance. Weather resistance is crucial, especially if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions. Look for furniture that can withstand sun, rain, and even snow if you plan to leave it outside year-round. Consider investing in covers for your furniture or storing cushions indoors during bad weather. Some materials like teak and powder-coated aluminum are naturally more resistant to the elements. Number 5. Maintenance and care. Maintenance and care are essential to keep your patio furniture looking great. Here are a few tips. For wood furniture, regular oiling and covering during off-seasons can extend its life. Metal furniture may need occasional touch-ups with paint or rust-resistant treatments. Wicker furniture can be cleaned with mild soap and water, and plastic furniture usually just needs a quick wipe down. Number 6. Versatility and storage. If you have a smaller space or like to change up your layout, look for furniture that's easy to move and store. Folding chairs, stackable tables, and modular pieces are great options. Modular furniture can be rearranged to suit your needs, whether you're hosting a party or just relaxing with a book. And during the winter months, having furniture that's easy to store will protect it from harsh weather and free up space. Number 7. Budget and investment. Finally, let's talk about budget and investment. Patio furniture can range from very affordable to quite expensive. It's important to set a budget before you start shopping. Remember, higher quality often means a higher price, but it also means better durability and comfort. Think of your patio furniture as an investment. High-quality pieces can last for many years with proper care, so it might be worth spending a bit more upfront. Look for end-of-season sales and consider mixing and matching different pieces to stay within your budget. Alright, let's recap the 7 things you should know about patio furniture. Understanding your space, measure and plan your layout. Choosing the right material, pick materials that suit your style and climate. Comfort is key, test for comfort and choose quality cushions. Weather resistance, choose materials and treatments that withstand the elements. Maintenance and care, regular cleaning and proper storage extend furniture life. Versatility and storage, opt for versatile pieces that are easy to store. Budget and investment, set a budget and consider quality as an investment. With these tips in mind, you're ready to create an outdoor space that's both beautiful and functional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what your favorite patio furniture piece is. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and ideas. Until next time, enjoy your outdoor living.